Today I'm checking out this 82-piece precision electric screwdriver set. So there's a lot of little pieces in here. This is meant for very good precision when you're working with like tiny screw heads, and it's got an electric screwdriver. So let's take this thing out of the box and see what it comes with. So out of the box, this is all the things that come with it. So this is the big set itself, but it also comes with all of these little like picks. Let's say you're working on like a laptop or a phone or a tablet or something. These all help you take things apart as you're taking the screws and stuff out. This is a charge cable here. This is a suction cup with like a little SIM card looking remover, but really that's just any kind of pick that you need a little pick point on. These are a bunch of plastic picks where you can go in there and work things out, use it to separate, plastic or little snaps. This is a magnetizer, demagnetizer, even comes with a magnetic mat, and it might be kind of hard to see with the camera because of the reflection, but this actually has like measurements on it, grids on it, different size, you can put things on there to see how big they are. On the other side of this, it's also got like angles on here. So all kinds of cool little things on here to help you with little stuff. And again, it's magnetic, so you can lay your screws and stuff on here to keep track of them. This is just a little card that was in there that shows you like the different bits, what sizes they are, what they're used for. And then of course there's this main kit, and it's in this plastic shell. Just looks like a little case, but you press the button, and I think it's this side. So you pull it open. You've got one side here of bits and another side here of bits. So you've got tons of bits in here to use, all different sizes, all different lengths and extensions, even specialty bits. And then of course you've got the actual electric screwdriver. You just pop this out, and you've got, forward and reverse. Oh, it's even got lights. Look at that. That's cool. So it's got LED lights to help you, see very good, especially when you're working on small little things. Sometimes you just need that little bit of extra light to see it. And then it's got the charge, port back here on the bottom, and the rest of it. And this is nice. I mean, it's got a really good feel to it. It's like a kind of like a heavy pen, so it fits the hand really well. This is cool. I really like that. I am always pulling apart small things, electronics, things like that. And these little super special bits and these little tiny bits will work great for that. So let me go see some of the cool stuff that I normally would use this on so we can test it. So I don't have a laptop with me right now that I want to tear apart, but let's go ahead and take apart this hard drive. This is just an old hard drive that I wanted to get rid of. And I usually, damage them to keep people from messing with my data. So let's see what we can find. If you look on here, it'll tell you actually what bit is in here. And I'm going to need like a Torx bit, it looks like, for this. And this is cool too, because these are magnetically in there, right? So you don't have to like try to like unsnap them out of there. They're in there, but the magnets are holding them well. Look at that. I picked the right one. I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to pull out the screwdriver. Slide it in, also magnetically put in, very cool. And then I'm just going to come in here and take these things out. And it's got the torque. But anyways, these came out really well. And then I'm going to just put them on my magnetic mat right there. And normally when I get something like this new, one of the first things I do is charge it. I haven't had a chance to charge this one, so it might even need to be charged, but it's working great. And again, if you needed to do anything, like these things right here would help you, not that, I needed it, but they could help you separate things. That's what these little plastic pieces are for. And like this, like let's say I'm trying to separate a laptop, and a lot of times they have those little snaps in there, so you're in there trying to, lift those sides up. These things let you do it like this, so you don't scar everything up and, mess up your laptop or whatever you're trying to work with. Yeah, works great. I mean, I'm totally going to be using this a lot because I do find myself working, repairing, messing with small electronics, and they have these size screws or even smaller. So very cool kit. I do really like this. It's definitely going to be staying in my office with me. And I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.